Hello, beautiful family. I hope you're doing well. Yes, today I'm back with another work from home opportunity, work from anywhere. Yes, 100% remote. This is a worldwide opportunity. Yes, today we have this remote client support specialist. As you can see, this job was posted today, June 28th. Yes, the applicant up to now is only 168 applicants. So guys, if you can go ahead and apply to this position is worldwide. Yes, you can work from anywhere, and it was posted on We Work Remotely. This is the number one YouTube channel where you will even find where you got these jobs. Okay, so the website is We Work Remotely. I never hide any website, guys, from you. Yes, you can read the mission of this. The position is remote client support specialist. Okay, and guys, it's 100% remote, work from anywhere. Priority responsibility, you can see moving client through their training to each and milestone. It's pretty much simple. Reporting their metrics in Slack, receiving testimonial from clients. You can see it's pretty much simple thing. Everyone can do this. Again, refund rate, payment plan correction rate, first week activation rate, and so many more. So daily execution of team administrative task. Yes, this is the morning check-in. You can check in through Zoom. Yes, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 10 a.m. Central Time. Yes, you can see the end of the day. Send in your end of the day report. You can send every day your reports. Okay, make sure all clients are responded to and tickets crossed. Follow-up tasks are created for all red flags clients who need anything. Confirm tomorrow onboarding appointment. Prepare for tomorrow check-in meeting. Okay, so you can see it's pretty much simple. Your time you will have the freedom to make your own schedule. All right, so that said, you will be expected to open enough calendar space to be available, responsible to clients for a minimum 40 hours. All right, so you will also be expected to complete your morning and end of the day task. As they have told you, you have to feel like a report, you have to feel like a form that you what you did during the day. All right, so yes, 7 days before starting, you will go through the first three schedule of your knowledge business accelerator program, listening through any onboarding calls as possible, reviewing as many round feedback video as possible. So this is kind of training that you will have before starting to this position. Okay, so let's see the requirements, the skills. You are going to be talking with people all day through Zoom. Being a natural rapport builder is going to help your best of success. Leadership, you must always read perspect to the best decision from them. Okay, attention to details, high standards, poise. All right, so this is like you will have crucial conversation on daily basis. All right, so the benefits here, they didn't mention any degree. Okay, so there is no degree on this position. You can work on this position anywhere you are, and full time. Okay, so now it's training developed, paid time off, there is vacation, they work from home, fast paced startup growth environment. So if you are interested to this position, which I believe everyone is interested, go ahead and click here, apply for this position. Yes, you can see again the details and everything. Okay, so guys, let's move on to our next job. Is from this Simply Hired. Yes, as always, I try to find job which have a very minimum requirement. We have this patient coordination and Executive support specialists. Yes, this job was posted just today, 5 hours ago. This position, you will be paid this amount of money, $24 per hour. Okay, so let's see the job description. Actually, when you click here, you can see how the job. If you click here, you will see this is the name of the company. All right, so you can click this and go to search in Google. Thereby you will know, okay, this company is rigid, I can go ahead and apply. So going back to the job detail, let's see the responsibility: insurance verification, patient refund data management, patient journal documentation, okay, documentation organization, meeting minutes, and so many more. The qualification, okay, these are the qualification. Ideal candidate should possess a degree in healthcare administration or related fields, along with experience in healthcare coordination or administrative. They should have excellent communication and interpersonal skills, proficiency in data management, and so many more. This position is full time, and this is the payments. Those are the benefits. It's flexible. You can have paid off time, and they have all these benefits. And the schedule is Monday through Friday, and the position is full time remote. Yes, guys. So I think those are the position. I hope you have applied to this data entry that I posted yesterday. This is the data entry. I think I posted this data entry yesterday. You can take a look on it. But guys, those are the jobs that I selected today, especially this one with no experience. It's something simple. You're gonna wake up in the morning, take your computer, go to the Zoom and start meeting with the client, because they will explain to you how your system works. Those are the things you will be able to explain to their client as well. So guys, there is no degree required to this position. You can work from anywhere. It's 100 remotes, and it's pretty much simple. I'm encouraging you to go ahead and apply. I believe you can get this job. Okay, so before I forgot this job, guys. Okay, it's from this company, Kato Networks. Yes, they have senior channel marketing manager. Okay, the location is known. It means you can work from anywhere. So because this company actually has many jobs, if you are in the US, you can take a look on it. They have many jobs position. But guys, maybe if you choose all the location is where you will find the positions. But guys, if you are maybe Africa, Asia, wherever you are, you can put none, mm-hmm, not applicable, and then you will see only this senior channel marketing manager. Yes, yes. Those are the jobs that I had for today. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope to see you soon. I post job every single day. Make sure I subscribe to not miss any job that I post every single day. Good luck, guys. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.